Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Frost. Today's video is a little different than our normal videos. We're going to the beach and we're going to take you guys with us. I think we're going to go for a hike. Jordan wants to go rock hunting, so we'll see if we find anything good. And then I don't really know if we have any other plans than that, but that's where we're going to start. So I'm going to pack a lunch. We're going to do like a picnic on the beach, but I'm also packing breakfast for the car. We live about like an hour and a half from the coast, and you know we'll be hungry in that hour and a half. So I'm going to make some overnight oats, but I'm just going to let them soak for like until we're hungry. So they're not overnights technically. But this is 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats in each. And then I'm going to do like a scoop of cacao, each one. Mix them up. Who's getting the little short one?
I'll take it, I guess.
Yeah, I get the big guy one.
Big container for a big lady.
Hey.
Right?
Right. And some peanut butter. This peanut butter, I don't think we stirred it very well. Like, it's...
Why? Is it pretty rock hard?
Well...
Come on!
It's like... Yeah, there's no oil in that. Like, I don't know what... We must have ate all the oil off the top. Did you stir it at all?
Yeah, I did.
I think the jar says otherwise. Yeah. It is a bitch to stir, and I had to do it the first time. Okay, well, 1 scoop of nasty peanut butter.
Pretty good, actually.
I don't think this is the best peanut butter. It's not my fave. It's crunchy, too.
The best.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to do some milk to cover that. So this is just some almond milk. Can't even stir in the peanut butter because it's so dry.
That's okay. We'll smash it in.
That's what she said. So just enough to cover your oats. Don't we have a whole video on overnight oats, like our favorite ones?
Yeah.
We do. Okay, I'll link that here because some of those are really good. Okay, some of them. They're all really good. Except the pear one.
That was not bad, actually.
I hate pears. I'm gonna just slice a banana on top of each one. Do it again.
No.
Do it again.
I don't want to.
What were you doing?
Nothing.
Eating the nasty bits of pork out of that. Oh my god. Mmm. Some barbecue sauce? Because what did you say, Jordan?
What did I say?
I don't know. It's a goddamn pork Sammy. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Alright, it's not a trip to the Oregon coast without drinks. So Jordan's taking these pumpkin beers from Trader Joe's. I'm doing these, what are these called? Ciders. 8%. I drank one last night and I was kind of tanked. An apple, it's like a big Honey Crisp, so we'll split him. Some barbecue potato chips because it's not a picnic at the beach without barbecue chips. And then I'm also sneaking in this chocolate bar that I ate most of already. But if you watched our Hawaii video, we found this at the health food store, like this brand. I'd never seen it before, and it's the best brand of chocolate ever. So I found that, and then I'm going to pack us each a LaCroix. And then if you can't see our reserves of water, all this to go to. All right, let's pack the cooler and go. Should I just do all of it? Alright, we're at a different beach now. We finished looking for rocks. We found some cool stuff.
We found some bigger ones, like We're gonna try and crack open
I'll
when we get back to the house.
Yeah, I'll have to show you when we get home.
The haul.
What we got. We got like two, three?
Oh, the big
Three,
ones?
yeah.
Yeah, two or three.
Anyways, I don't know how we're gonna open them, but I guess we'll see. Now we're at a different beach having a picnic. We're gonna go on a hike, but I think we ran out of time.
Yep, same as that one.
No. What do you mean?
You canceled that one?
Well, because I have reasons. Okay, it's a beautiful day on the coast, which like does not happen in Oregon. So I felt like we could do a hike any day, but we can't do a picnic any day because the weather's usually shitty. The weather's beautiful. So now we're drinking ciders on the beach.
Yep.
Alright, we finished our picnic at the beach. Jordan decided he didn't like his beers and drank one of my ciders and then passed out.
Fake news.
But now we decided to come on the hike. We weren't at the beach as long as I thought. So they said, the app said it should be like 2.5 hours and it's 3 o'clock. So I think we should make it like way before the sun sets. But hopefully we get some cool footage. The view at the top is supposed to be really cool. Nothing to say for yourself for your actions on the beach?
Nope.
Nothing?
Nope. Fucking nothing.
Stop. Okay, we'll insert any good footage we get from the hike here. We are 0.6 miles into the hike, and Jordan found these berries. And he cannot let it go, so we are trying to figure out what kind of berries they are. We got an app. He thinks they're Marion berries.
No.
I said they're not.
It's called lemon leaf.
They're not.
They taste like sweet blueberries with a hint of Concord grape.
Okay, we're not trying weird berries we find in the forest. I can't carry you out if you go down.
With Western poison oak. The plant's leaves and berries are edible. Can function as an appetite suppressant, often included in jams and pies. Yes!
God, you scared me.
I knew it.
Babe.
I knew we could eat those berries.
Please.
I'd rather be at home playing Xbox.
Stop! Stop it! Stop! We're having a good time. We're having a good time. So far, oh my god, it just gets better. Look, there's Haystack Rock.
I think that's Haystack Rock.
See, look. Right there. Just kidding, that's not Haystack Rock. She's a beaut today.
Alright, so here is all the rocks we found. These are some agates we found. I have no idea what any of these are actually called. But here's some shells. Michaela liked these ones.
I did like the shells. I also liked this one. The kind of turquoise ones. You can't see color, so you thought they were black. This is petrified wood, I think.
Yeah, we do think that's petrified wood.
He's kind of cool.
And then we found these 3 big ones. This one for sure has some minerals of some kind in the inside. So we are going to try and crack this open and see what's inside. And then these guys, we kind of just think they have some kind of mineral on the outside. We're a little skeptical if they have anything on the inside. So we're going to crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so we tried a bunch of times to crack those open, and we got a lot of the outside off, but this is about as far as we can get it. So there's some pretty cool crystals inside if you can kind of zoom in on that at all. But yeah, it's super loud trying to break these open, so we just call it good at this point. So there are 2 rocks, were just way too hard to break, so I didn't even try on those. So we'll just call it good for this one, and this is all we got.
Okay, we are back home now. We ended up doing the hike. It was over 5 miles, I think. I'll have to check my watch, but I think it was it 5.5 nearly?
Yeah.
It was really cool, and I'm sure you saw the footage. Like, it was a pretty good view from the top. So we got some dinner on the way home. We stopped at Frank's Noodle House. Never had Frank's Noodle House in Portland. It's super good. They hand to make all their noodles. I can't have them because they're wheat noodles, but it's still really good. This is what Jordan got. What did you get?
It's like stir-fried. I don't know, what did you get?
I got like a Thai curry with rice noodles. It's like one of the only gluten-free things they have, but it's super yummy.
Yeah, I think it's basically just a stir-fry, but instead of like fried rice, it's their noodles.
Yeah, but their noodles are so good.
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah, it was good. Exhausted. I don't say so myself.
Yeah, we had a good day. It was a good study break. We had a good time. Yeah.
Yep.
You got anything else to say, do you? We're just gonna eat this on the couch and probably watch TV. That's it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and we'll see you guys next time.